everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make viral styles video based on what's trending on TikTok using Viti AI. So first, Viti AI is an AI tool that will help you create content faster, like maybe create a talking photo, avatars videos, product photos, product showcase, and even generate viral videos or image. And if you want to try it too, make sure to click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this platform. And then next, first just open Pipit AI like this. We'll see the home page like this. And then next just go to the inspirations, this one. And over here you can just search what's trending on TikTok. And in here you can search any topic that you want, like maybe beauty, fashions, food, gaming, or whatever needs your end. And you can also use the available search filters to find video based on themes or durations over here. For example, I want to choose travel and then food like this, and then next just choose the video that you want over here like this. For example, maybe I want to choose just this one.
Here we go. Whoa! Oh, that's fast! Big gap, come on! Yes!
Like this, and then next just simply tap on generate videos in this style. Just click on it. And then next just write your prompt more clearly over here. Just describe it as you want. Like for example, I want to make it a little change over here, little edit to skateboard like this. And then in here you can just choose a model. And then just choose your aspect ratio over here, and then video length. You can also adjust the video length over here. And then after that, just simply tap on submit if you're satisfied with all settings. And then next, just wait for the process. And okay, like this, your video is ready.
Ever felt
Just
like the
take a
world
look.
was just waiting for you to make the first move? Sometimes you just have to drop in. Sound of wind rushing and an exhilarated lap.
And okay, like this, the results, honestly, it looks a little weird for the skateboard and then the person, but I think the video is still good. Maybe you can just try for the another videos or another prompts to make it more realistic and natural. But that's all the overall steps to make a viral videos with what's trending on TikToks. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.